completely understand that I waited 35 years to meet you once, and finally, it's an honor that I'm sharing the stage with you. Please, everyone, make some noise for the winning captain, Kicha Sudeep. And now it's time for you to lift that trophy.
ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರಲ್ಲ ಯಾರದು ಯಾರದು ಮೊದಲನೇದಾಗಿ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂತು ನಮ್ಮನ್ನ ನೋಡಿ ಪ್ರಾರ್ಥನೆ ಮಾಡಿ ನಮಗೆ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದ ಎಲ್ಲ ಜನತೆಗೆ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಬುಲ್ಡೋಸರ್ಸ್ ಪರವಾಗಿ ಲವ್ ಯು.
They were the champions in 2013, champions of 2014, after 12 long, grueling years, near misses. But the spirit was there. And now they are the champions once again, the three-time champions, Karnataka Bulldozers. I would like to request Mr. Vishnu Induri to please give the medals to the winners. I would call the players one by one on stage, starting with Pradeep Bogadi. Make some noise for the winning team players, Pradeep Bogadi. Next is Karthik Jairam. Next is Darling Krishna. Next up, Sunil Rao. Next up, Chandan Kumar. Next, Rajiv Hanu. Next up, Nirup Bhandari. Next, Pratap Narayan. Next up, Arjun Yogi. After Arjun, it's Manjunath Gowda. Next is Karan Aryan. Next, Arun Bachchan. Next is Sagar Gowda. After Sagar, it's Sachin. And now it's time to call the winning team captain, the superstar, the megastar, Kicha Sudeep! Karnataka Bulldozers are officially the champions of CCL 2026. The unbeaten team throughout the season. I would like to request Mr. Vishnu Induri ji to give the trophy to the winning team captain. Kicha sir. Kicha sir, I would like to have a word with you, please. Big congratulations on being the champion again, sir. 2013, 2014, you were the champion. It's been a long wait since then. How's the feeling after 12 long seasons? Once again, Karnataka Bulldozers are the champions.
ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ಮೊದಲನೇದಾಗಿ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂತು ನಮ್ಮನ್ನ ನೋಡಿ ಪ್ರಾರ್ಥನೆ ಮಾಡಿ ನಮಗೆ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದ ಎಲ್ಲ ಜನತೆಗೆ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಬುಲ್ಡೋಸರ್ಸ್ ಪರವಾಗಿ love you. It's a great feeling. We have waited a long time and every year we have struggled. This team is a wonderful team and we have always given the best every season, but of course there were better teams, there were coming, better champions were coming. It has been a long, long wait, but then when the waiting is over, you never know how long you waited, do we? It looks like yesterday, but then it's a great feeling, sir.
So I can completely understand that I waited 35 years to meet you once, and finally it's an honor that I'm sharing the stage with you. Please, everyone, make some noise for the winning captain, Kicha Sudeep. And now it's time for you to lift that trophy.
ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರಲ್ಲ Yaradu. I want to congratulate all the teams. I want to congratulate my very favorite buddy standing over there, the Bengal. Wonderful side. We irritate each other a lot on the stadium, but then we party together also. I love you, Jishu. Bappa. Okay. Wonderful side, and I think today finals, I really want to say it was well deserving because two teams undefeated comes, not any other teams, and they deserve to be in the finals. They not only put up a small score, but they gave the fight for it, sir. We love you. It was a great match. Thank you. And Vishnu, without CCL, I don't think these wonderful industries would have come together. Thank you, my friend. You have brought all of us together. You have won a lot of hearts. We are always with you. Thanks that you brought CCL into our lives, that this one season, every year we wait to meet all our friends across India. We all come together. You know, as actors, we all check into the hotels, but never go to the lobby to have food. But here when we come, we are never out of the lobby because we are always sitting over there wanting to meet our friends, all because of my dear friend. Let me tell you, he has gone through a lot of roller coaster to bring CCL here. And Vishnu, you asked me something. We are always with you, my friend. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, sir. And it's time for the captain to lift the trophy. And now, it's time for that celebration. I would like to request Karnataka Bulldozers to come on the stage. Ladies and gentlemen, that's Karnataka Bulldozers. They are the champions of CCL 2026. We will see you in the next season. I'm Kunal Saluja, signing off. Bye-bye.
The winning moment. The reigning champions, Karnataka Bulldozers. The trophy will have their name inked once again. Three-time champions, just one behind four-time champions, Telugu Warriors. They have played clinical cricket, dominant cricket, unbeaten into the finals and through the finish line.
These celebrities, these actors must have numerous trophies in their cabinets. They must be related to their acting, their skills, their talent on the screen. But let me tell you, this very trophy gives a different feeling altogether because this is what brings them onto the field. This is their moment.